Hi guys. In our last video, we have discussed about the mindset of an entrepreneur. My elder brother also clarified some of my doubts. Like, what are the differences between an entrepreneur and an employee? When thought both have entirely the same opportunities available to them. Then also one is a billionaire belonging to 1% people, while another person belong to 99% people owning 3% of total wealth of the world. Today, I am meeting my brother again. Let us learn something different from his experience. Hi Sujit,
How are you?
I am fine. Just I had a lot of questions in my mind which I wanted to clarify. Yes,
I will be more than happy to help you answer it, if I can. I will tell you the best answer from my experience.
I have understood the differences between an entrepreneur and an employee. But we often use the term businessman, which is same as entrepreneurs, so why are we specifying them with two different names? Businessman and entrepreneurs are totally different term for two different types of people as business owners. Both of them are business owners. So they are similar but not the same. If they are not same, then how they are different from each other? Let me explain it with the help of an example. You may have heard about Taj Hotel. Yes, Taj Hotels is a chain of luxury hotels and a subsidiary of Indian Hotels Company Limited. It is incorporated by the founder of the Tata Group, Jamsetji Tata. But do you know why it was opened? What was the story behind it? No, I guess to make profit. Profit was not the only reason to open the hotel, but the main reason was racial discrimination at Watson's Hotel in Mumbai, where
He was refused to enter the hotel as it didn't allow Indians.
the hotels only allowed Europeans. So, it was for that reason. It means the reason is personal, instead of being general. Yes, it was a problem for all Indians before independence. But after independence, that reason does not exist.
Now, the hotel is only for rich people.
It is not able to solve the biggest challenge that is faced by common middle class peoples. So the business owner is now a businessman, who is just making profits from these hotels. He is not an entrepreneur. Then, who is an entrepreneur in the hospitality service industry? You may have heard about Ritesh Agrawal. Yes, he is the founder of Oyo Rooms. He is the second youngest billionaire in the world. Actually,
He is an entrepreneur.
he has solved some of the biggest problems of the middle class. How is he an entrepreneur? He is also providing hospitality services. Then how he is different?
He is different as many people of middle class were suffering from poor facilities like
Dirty washrooms, dirty wash basins, uncleaned mattress sheets and inappropriate customer experience at check-in and check-out. Apart from it, basic amenities like Wi-Fi, air conditioning,
drinking water, healthy food, etc. were not possible at a reasonable cost.
So, he tried to solve a burning problem of the society by creating a great living space for a common man.
Now, you can see all these facilities are available to common man at affordable prices.
Yes, I have also experienced that facilities provided by Oyo Rooms are exceptional. Also, the rooms are easily booked with its app.
Now compare the rates with Taj Hotel.
You will find a great difference in their prices. One more thing to notice here is that the time that it took for the Oyo Rooms to reach the $1 billion valuation was less than 6 years.
On the other hand, Taj Hotel is only in few places, also its overall profit is too low to be compared with Oyo Rooms.
So you mean entrepreneurs works on time leverage?
Not only that, they also are creative enough to think outside the box.
They create something different which was not at all being done earlier or ever imagined.
On the other hand, a businessman is a business owner who works on pre-existing ideas. Like Taj Hotel is based on a pre-existing idea of luxury hotels.
Yes, absolutely. I get it. Really, this sort of thinking I had never gone through ever before. It is definitely a great learning that I have never ever had before. Yes, now it's time to have lunch. We will continue with our discussion later. Okay, bhai. Let's go to our dining table. I am coming in a while. Thank you once again.
You're welcome always.
Okay, guys. Till the time I have my lunch, you can think of more differences between entrepreneurs and businessmen. Don't forget to hit a like. Those who are new to this channel, please do subscribe the channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications of latest videos uploaded on YouTube at the right time. Please do share the video to everyone to help them to grow as a person. As India is facing a problem of unemployment, which could be taken care of by empowering youth entrepreneurship. Sunil is ready to go for his lunch. Sujit to Sunil. Okay bhai, now I had to go to meet my friend. So I want to go to Hotel Taj. He may be waiting for me.
There only I will have my lunch.
Sure, you can. But follow the safety measures in this pandemic. Sujit moves out of his home. He meets his friend at Joe's Corner. Hi Sujit. Hi. I thought we had to meet at Hotel Taj. Yes. But now I thought why not to meet in between. The work that we wanted to do has already been done. So I came to inform you about it. I have done it personally. And the details has been sent to your official email ID. Thank you so much. We will meet on Monday at office.
I will be late.
As I had to meet Rahul Bhai before office. No problem. I will take care of it. I definitely trust you. Thanks. You're welcome. Always. Sujit goes back to his place. And next morning prepares himself to meet Rahul Bhai. As his elder brother Sunil was busy. Hi guys. We had a discussion regarding the points of difference between an entrepreneur and a businessman. Today, again I am going to visit Rahul Bhai. He is business partner of my elder brother and his college friend. He has called me for a catch up at Starbucks. He is also very senior in business and became successful in building a great platform for youngsters to work on. So, let's go. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, so that you can get the notifications of the video uploaded on my channel at the right time. Hi Sujit, how are you? Sunil was working on something important. So, he sent me to meet you. Tell me, what are the problems you are facing? Actually, I had a discussion with Sunil Bhai in my last meeting. Bhai was telling me about the differences between entrepreneurs and businessmen. I want to know more about it. So far I understood a few differences. Like they do perform time leverage. Also, they solve the biggest problems of the society with their creative mind in an easy way. Yes, you are right, they never give up unless and until they accomplish their goals. They make the best use of human resource. Bhai, what about Jeff Bezos? He is an entrepreneur or a businessman? Jeff Bezos is an entrepreneur. Because his ideas are innovative. No one has ever thought of an online store that could sell everything. He first got this idea. Not only that, he is now the richest person on earth. His wealth is around $193 billion. So he has converted his dream into reality. This was possible because he is customer obsessed during his entire journey process. But what about the businessman? A businessman only cares about the profit. So his services are profit oriented. Whenever he is providing any service, he tries to keep the costs high, so that he could generate much more profit than ever before. So, why do the entrepreneurs are the richest, while these businessmen are not so rich? The case should be opposite, right? No, the entrepreneurs are richer than the businessmen, because they provide the best goods and services at the level of comfort to their customer. Okay, just tell me one thing. The goods and services that are provided by Amazon is also available in small local shops, right? But you will find that people prefer Amazon above all other small business owners. As customer-oriented approach of Amazon makes it more reliable. Okay. Yes, I also do shop everything at Amazon. They provide great customer experience. So customer experience is so very essential. Yes, customer experience is the most important factor. So while making any goods or any service, one should think customer is the king. Then only you will be able to understand their problems. As entrepreneurship is all about solving the biggest problems of the society in a simple way to create a global impact. Okay, now I understood why it is so important to know the problems of your customers. Yes, an entrepreneur is a market leader and has the capability to take high risk. As most of the time he experiences failures in his journey. But he learns from his failures and grows himself. On the other hand, a businessman takes only calculated risks in order to avoid loss or failure, while an entrepreneur has mastered the failures along his journey. Okay, that's why he is market leader. Now, I get it. That's why entrepreneurs do not expect anything from others. They are proud individuals. While a businessman works according to the resources that are available to him. And so his focus is not on the problems of his customers but on making profit. This makes entrepreneurs totally different from businessmen. I hope you get the idea. It was an awesome learning. I had never seen this side of entrepreneurs. Really, they are great.
Okay, now it's time to meet Sunil. He may be waiting for me. So I should take a leave now.
Yes. Thank you so much, Bhai, for sharing the awesome learning.
Yes, you are always welcome.
I hope you may have understood so far the main qualities of an entrepreneur. You may be eagerly waiting for our next session. We will be learning something great in our next session on entrepreneurship. Till then, keep learning
And innovating.
See ya.